Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can add co-workers or your friends or your team members to your teams on ClickUp really quickly inside your workspace. It is very simple, so let us guide you through this. So guys, did you know that you can create small groups or teams here in your ClickUp workspace, for example, to co-work or to work with your team members directly, to share ideas with them, to assign them tasks, to organize your workload and schedule and so on and so forth. You can do that by heading over to your ClickUp workspace. So let me select that one here in the top left corner. And here on the left hand side, you will see a section called Teams. So you may access it, for example, to get a better overview of all teams you have already created, or you can create a new one by clicking on that plus icon here. However, guys, I've already created two, and since I don't have a premium account on ClickUp, I'm not allowed to create more teams. But as you can see, I created already two of them. So let me access, for example, team number 2 here, for instance. So guys, you can add more members to your team by heading over to that team member list here at the top under team, and here simply click on add member here in the top right corner, and after that select your workspace team members to add them to your team by clicking on the profile name here, and that is going to add the given user to your team here on ClickUp. You may also assign a role, like for example make someone a manager, for instance, or remove the given member from your team, or yeah, that's basically it. That's how you add team members to your teams on ClickUp. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.